can we talk about how us curly-haired people are constantly being told this brush will change your life? No, this technique will change your life. No, wait, finger coil every curl individually for the next 6 business days. So today, I'm testing 4 popular curly hair styling techniques on my type 3C curls to see which one actually gives the best results. And honestly, one of these completely surprised me. Method 1, the viral brush. Bounce curls brush. This one, you can see it everywhere on thousands of curly hair tutorials. Now don't get me wrong, I like this brush, but I need another brush to detangle. However, the definition is beautiful, the curl clumps are gorgeous, but detangling is not with this brush. However, I heard they got a new brush and that one is meant to detangle our kind of hair. Method 2, the brush handle. Now this one shocked me. Imagine the handle of the brush working better than the actual brush. Who discovered this? Why does this work? And why is it sometimes giving me better results than the actual brush itself? Well, the lady who designed the brush actually told me she specifically designed it for heatless styling curls. So there you go, the handle of the brush was actually designed to style curly hair. The definition is impressive. And every time I use it, I end up asking myself, why don't I do this more often? Method number 3, finger rolling. Now we're entering the Olympic category. This is not for the faint-hearted. This takes skill, patience, and possibly a support group. I need a TikTok to show me how to do this because it just wasn't working for my curls. So it took me a while to crack this one down. And you can too. If I can, you can. The results are stunning. For me, it works, but it took me ages to learn. There were times my curls looked incredible. Other times it just was knotty at the end, no consistency. Is it worth it? Probably not. The learning curve is definitely real. And finally, method number 4, finger coiling. Also known as, do you have plans today? Because now you don't. This technique takes forever. I'm not even going to pretend otherwise. You will question your life's choices halfway through, but the results, wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. The definition, the shine, the curl formation, the consistency. This gave me the best results of all 4 techniques every single time. The only downside is the amount of time it takes. Hands down, this is the one. And all it took was your finger to do it. You don't need a brush. You don't need this perfect curling tool. Your finger can do the work. Imagine your fingers are actually better than the curling tools professionals are making. Now here are the dry results. So obviously those were the wet results. They look good. Dry results, they dry different to how they look wet. Now here's my trick. You need a good oil. Don't redo your hair again because your curls didn't turn out right. Just wait and see how good this actually turns out. So here's the final ranking. In 4th position, we got finger rolling. Yeah, because this one takes too long. Number 3, the viral brush is good, but the handle has got to take 2nd position because the handle works way better than the actual brush. For me. For you, it might be different. But the brush is good. Don't get me wrong. The brush styling, here you go. It comes out top notch with my curls as well. I just prefer the handle. And number 1, finger coiling my curls. Love it. Obviously. Now, I need your help. If you could only use one styling technique for the rest of your life, which one would you choose? Bounce curl brush or a different brush? Brush handle, finger rolling or finger coiling? Let me know in the comments because I feel like we're about to start an argument. I'm happy with you to disagree with me. Thanks so much for watching Coils by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Coils by Sharlene and I'll see you next time. Peace out.